So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's vlog, medyo namimiss kong mag product review. And honestly, this is one of my iniinom. I personally drink this one, but it was 4 months ago when I tried to intake this one. But kasi ang nangyari, nag-gain ako ng weight, guys. And disclaimer lang pala, this is not a sponsored video. Gusto ko lang i-share yung aking honest review about this collagen drink. And alam niyo naman na nagkalat na sa market yung iba't ibang collagen drink here in the Philippines. So one of the brands that I am taking is yung Mosview. I tried the jelly, the syrup, and continuously I'm drinking the capsule, yung tablet nila. So yun, lumalay na tayo ng usapan. Ito nga pala yung topic natin, si Freshies avocado milk. So this one is it has 80,000 milligrams of, I don't know kung mix na to, hydrolyzed collagen, Japan glutathione, L-carnitine, and coenzyme Q10. And yung one box niya is, it has a 10 sachet. And meron na rin nakasulat dito na it has with oral sunscreen technology. So medyo questionable ako dun sa oral sunscreen technology kasi usually ang sunscreen is topical. So yun yung mga pinapahid natin sa skin natin before going outside. So sorry guys dun sa boses ko kasi I'm not feeling well. Medyo tinamaan tayo ng ubo. And it is sweetened by stevia. But for me, kapag tinitimpla ko to, medyo natatamisan ako sa kanya. Kaya dinadamihan ko ng water. Pinatry ko to dun sa iba kong friends kasi nagre-resell ako. Yung iniinom ko, nire-resell ko din. Syempre, para dun ako kumuha ng pang-sustain ko, ng pampaganda ko, guys. So, yun. When I drink this one personally, so binibigyan ko sila ng sample. Yung iba, hindi sila hiyang. So, nagtae. And then the others, they don't like the taste of avocado. But for me, gusto ko kasi yung personally, kumakain ako ng raw avocado. I mean, yung natural na avocado, hindi dito na drinks. Teka lang guys, excuse me, kasi medyo nangangatila lang muna ko. So, moving on, actually, naka 5 box ako nito eh. Yung isang box alam ko nasa Malolos, nasa bahay. And, parang yung isa natapon ko na. If I'm not, mistaken, nakalimutan ko na. So, ito yung isa. Yan, ito siya. Ito siya guys, naka 3 box ako. And, ito yung individual, niya. This is the individual pack. So, meron siyang 10. Medyo may kamahalan siya. Dun sa pinagbibilan ko it is 300 pesos. So, pag saan yata mga online, medyo mura ng 20 pesos or 30. And, syempre, meron akong reseller discount kapag na-meet ko yung minimum quantity na any item na pwede kong i-resell. And then, yun, binibenta ko siya ng same lang, yung nakatag 300 kasi, parang reasonable naman yung price din na binibigay ko, and para lang maibalik din sa akin yung nagastos ko na pamasahe, and then, syempre, yun na nga, to sustain my, my beauty, mga tinitake ko, mga pampaganda. So, bakit ako nagtitake ng collagen? Collagen is one of the ingredients para bumata. So, ang actual age ko is I'm turning 43 next June. And sabi nila hindi daw halata. I'm just like 32 years old to 35. And one of the factor na nakakapagpatanda is stress. So, yun. Iniiwasan ko yung stress. Parang now, I'm focusing na lang sa sarili ko. Syempre, you should prioritize God, diba? But what I mean, before I was focusing more on my family. Parang ganon. And then investment na it didn't work out. So, sabi ko, why not this time focusing on myself? So, I am now in the phase of loving myself. So, yun nga, as you can see, ayan, medyo tayo, pumayat, and I have now collarbone. And personally, I do work out. Ayan, medyo loose nga lang yung natin. And kasi ang laki ng pinayat ko. So, I'm trying to tone my body. Ayan, kasi nga, pumayat tayo, guys. So, yan, segue na tayo. So, Freshies brand, avocado milk. Yun pa lang yung nila, yung parang unang items nila, avocado flavor. I don't know if they had another flavor, but usually yun yung napapanood ko sa TikTok and mga reels. Mga kilalang na rin, endorser yung mga gumagamit niyan. But paano ba? Yung mga gumagamit kasi tsaka nag-endorse, talagang given na maganda na sila. So, I don't know kung paano ang nun, attraction nun sa mga tao. Kasi parang mas maganda kung before ganito itsura niya, tapos nung gumamit siya ng collagen, she became young, a little bit young, and then she became beautiful. Parang ganun. Dapat ganun yung yung forte. Dapat ganun yung datingan ng ng endorsement. So, Freshies baka naman. But kasi nga, medyo tinigil ko siya kasi I'm gaining weight. And my target nga is to lose weight. Based on my age and my height, I am 5'3". So, parang ideal weight ko, it should be 54 kilos. And 54 kilos it's hard. It's really hard to reach that ideal weight. Kasi at my age, it's so hard to metabolize na. Parang, ang hirap na yung metabolism ko is very slow na. Kaya, I need to be, na rin, maging healthy and aware sa mga kinakain ko. So, sometimes, hindi ako kumakain ng rice. But this time, nag-rice ako kasi nga may nararamdaman ako medyo masama yung pakaramdam natin. And I'm taking medicine, kaya, nagre-rice ang lola nyo. So, yun, I think, Freshies is good for sa mga gustong magpataba. And, yung iba kasi, meron akong friend na she had an allergy when I gave this. Binigyan ko siya ng sample kasi nga, di ba, gusto ko mag-resell. So, hindi naman din nag-succeed. Kasi nga, I myself, I have to stop. Kasi, napansin ko, parang diet ako ng diet. Attend ako na attend sa gym, but I'm still gaining weight. So, when I last bought, when I bought the last box, yun na yung pinaka-last purchase ko, na kahit yung may-ari nung business, nung store na pinagbibilan ko is, she also gained weight. Kaya, it is recommended sa mga gusto magpataba and then magpabata as well. And ayun, kasi questionable yung L-carnitine na ingredients niya. So L-carnitine is, it helps to metabolize, mapabilis yung metabolism mo. So I hope this is correct, no? And yun, glutathione as well. Tapos sabi niya, with oral sunscreen technology. Yun yung hindi ko pa maintindihan as of now. So, excuse me, talagang Hindi ko na ikakat to. Para makita nyo na talagang inuubo ko. So, I think that's it for today's vlog. So, thank you for watching. Medyo matagal ako mag-upload ngayon kasi nga, busy ang lola niya sa trabaho. And, wala rin ganong space itong aking iPhone. So, I need to delete all the photos here and some of the videos na, alam niyo na, yung medyo gumagawa ako ng reels. So, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you on my future vlogs. Bye, guys!